Welcome back. If you're new to my channel, my name is Sylvia and I make videos on planning and writerly things. Today's video is going to be an unboxing of your creative studio, and I did not rip this. I think it might have gotten ripped, you know, through all of the shuffle in the mail. I just want to say quickly that I live in Colorado and we've definitely been getting a lot of smoke blown our way from the West Coast. So if you are anywhere near the fires and you have to evacuate, I hope that you're safe and that you make it wherever you need to go without any harm, because I can only imagine, and I mean, I can't even imagine how bad it's there if it's just, you know, really gross here. Okay, so I'm gonna open this. I did not peek, even though it's slightly ripped, I promise. I'll just finish the ripping right there. I moved it. I hope I'm still in frame. Let me check. I have so much on my desk. I was like clearing off a space just for this. So you guys, I think I'm gonna order a Hobonichi. I know. I didn't order any this year in 2020 in case you're watching this in the future. But I'm thinking of ordering for 2021 because it's already out. Oh, these are beautiful. I love stickers like this. Look how lovely. We won't have to open these ones. I hope there's not a glare. We won't have to open them, but they are so beautiful. I love stickers that don't have like a white backing or anything, because then you can put them on any colored paper that you have, whether it's cream or white. So those are very nice. Let's go through the paper. These are so cute. This is Vellum. Also Vellum. Beautiful, getting ready for fall. Let me tell you what, so in the span of like 2 days, we went from, first of all, we went from the hottest day to the coldest day so far. And I couldn't even believe it. It's like we didn't have a fall. It was already winter. Today's supposed to be hotter, so I'm hoping to go for a bike ride. If you hear noise in the background, it's my niece. She's doing online classes and she's in a group and I want her to learn. So this is the time I have. We'll ignore it. This is lovely. I love this fall yellow. It's more of a gold rather. And the red too. It's so beautiful. Oh my gosh. I just want to make a whole fall insert, or maybe a whole fall traveler's notebook style. I don't even know. It's beautiful. And here's Amanda's card. Now, I'm not sure where Amanda lives, but I had concerns that if I order a Hobonichi, how's it even gonna get to me? Because I think it ends up going to California from Japan, and then it's sent out here. So maybe it's kind of a ridiculous thing to order from overseas right now because it goes to customs. And I'm not sure. I think Amanda might be coming in the opposite direction. I took a break last month, so I did not get last month's box. Sorry, I had to talk to Jade. What was I saying? Yeah, I didn't get last month's box because I took a social media break for a month. I did post a little bit here, but they were already videos I had planned on making, but everything else was silent. It was really nice. And I've been moving things around on my channel because I'm going to separate the writing from this channel. It's just a slow process. And somebody had mentioned that all of my unboxing videos were gone. I put them on I don't know what it's called, unlisted maybe. And that's because I was just moving things around. So I will definitely leave a link down below in the description, like a playlist of all my unboxing videos in case you're interested in seeing what other boxes have had in the past. This is so cute. Oh my gosh, I love it. Oh, and it's Vellum. Dude, just for this alone, I would buy this box. Look at that. They're all like in stamp form. Oh my gosh, this is so cool. Butterflies. Y'all know how I feel about butterflies. I've been watching my channel for a while. Love it. Oh, these are beautiful. Just so crisp and colorful. I love it. Look at that. Look at the detail and the color. So nice. Oh my gosh. I wonder if any of them repeat. I hope some of them do. Maybe they don't. Guys, it looks like it doesn't. That's okay. I just wanted a lot of the butterfly. Oh, that's okay. They have different butterflies in here. This is snazzy. Nice job, Amanda. This is a great find. Oh, and look in the back, they just have some plain little vellum sheets that you could cover for journaling. That's so cool. Yeah, so it looks like none of them repeat, but they certainly have, if they have one thing of flowers, they have a couple other butterflies. That is nice. This is my favorite so far. I don't know if you can top this. Okay. Some more stickers, which I love, and they're all fall stickers. And yes, they are those kind of like transparent stickers. So it doesn't matter what type of paper you put on there. Oh, I love this. I want to do a whole fall setup. This is so cool. Next month, Sylvia. These I won't take out, but they are also very clear. Just a bunch of vegetation. None of it specifically looks like it's fall. They're just flowers, but they're beautiful. And stamps, yay. I've been using stamps more often. I can't believe it, but I am. Oh, look, she put a piece of vellum in here. Okay, this is so nice. I could even use this. 10 pieces, okay. Oh, this is so cool. I was gonna pull off the top so it'd be less shiny, but then it takes off the little outline here, but this is really cool. The acorns are great. Pine trees, pumpkin, and the leaves. This is beautiful. I love this, Amanda. My voice is breaking up, and it is weird because like all the smoke we've been getting lately because we've had a lot of wind. I was fine, but then I went for a bike ride, and I guess I was really like breathing it in, dying from the bike ride, and then I just I messed up my throat and gave me a headache. So I can only imagine if you're like right there on the front lines. I'm so sorry, you guys. These are beautiful as well. These are like pressed flowers and leaves. They are lovely. I love this red one. I'm scared that if I take it out, they're going to fall apart, so I won't open it. But look how beautiful. Sorry for the glare. The sun's coming in quick, which I'm happy about because we see nothing but rain for 3 days. I had to pick up my niece Jade from her house yesterday because it rained so hard. The power was going out on her side of the town, and she had no electricity and no internet for class. So I went and picked her up so she could catch the last couple hours because they were doing science and they were taking notes, and she was like freaking out that she was going to get behind. So she just spent the night. That's why she's here doing class now, which was great. And it's supposed to be a nice sunny day. So I think during her break, we're going to try to go for a bike ride, but my back's been a little angry that I've been taking advantage of the great outdoors lately. These are perforated. I don't want to rip it. Sorry, I kind of did, but that's okay. So there's 1, 2, 3 separate pieces in this one, or you can go ahead and glue it on just like that. I love it. It's very like Christmassy as well, like the bright red. So you could use this now as well as in the winter. Very nice. Yeah. Pride and Prejudice, great book by Jane Austen. This is down here. I love Jane Austen. I love the movies as well. I certainly wouldn't want to live in that time when women were severely oppressed, but I really do like watching the stronger women, you know, just say, hell no, I'm not going to do what you want. This one's beautiful. Nice picture of Jane. These are lovely. Remember when I got one of these from, I should say, who was it? I had it on the tip of my tongue, and it was beautiful, and I use it all of the time. Virginia Woolf. So these are really nice. I like the purple. I don't have enough purpley things. This, oh my gosh, I already have ideas. I feel like I want to laminate these. I don't know the vellum, let's see. And make them into bookmarks because they're just so beautiful. I mean, oh wait, they feel like they're stickers maybe. Maybe they're stickers. What does it say? Old time. trying to read what it says here. It doesn't really say if it's, they feel like they're stickers. Yes, so original long sticker bag. Oh, cool. So I think I'm gonna make a video on how I want to make a bookmark. So I would take a colored cardstock, peel this off because it is a sticker, put it on there, make the colored part of the cardstock bigger in like bookmark form. And then I would puncture a hole and then put some ribbon, some lovely ribbon, like one piece maybe, of really pretty ribbon that matches to make these lovely bookmarks. Wouldn't that be awesome? I could see my niece wanting to do this for a project. I think we could totally make some lovely bookmarks for her teachers for Christmas time. Like sometimes we give them little thank you gifts, you know, for being teachers because it's not the easiest job. So it looks like these repeat. You have one that's like on this white sticker, excuse me, and then one that's more on this slightly transparent one. I love that. That's really cool. I don't know if the black ones repeat or not. It doesn't look like it, but this one, oh my gosh, with the phases of the moon would make a fun little mini bookmark. I love bookmarks. So you have one that's completely like solid and one that's kind of transparent. That is so cool. I love this. These would go really beautiful like on a midnight blue. I also have some, what are they called? Signo, is it Signo? Correct me if I'm wrong. Signo pens that are metallic, so you could write something on it, like moon or whatever you wanted. You could write the month really pretty. Oh, this is gonna be fun. This will be a cool project for me and my niece because winter is coming and we're gonna be stuck indoors even more than we have been for the second round of coronavirus. Who knows? Moving those off to the side. Okay, two more things. These look like stamps. These look like stickers. This is a really pretty box. It has like sparkly glitter all over. I don't know if you can tell. Sun shining on it. These are beautiful. I'm loving the black and white that's added in here. Really pretty. Are these stickers? I don't know. What does it say? It doesn't say. Sometimes like people will be like, oh, those are stickers, by the way. And I'm like, okay, thank you. I didn't know. They don't seem like they're stickers. They're kind of like a somewhat thicker paper, a little thinner than, I don't know, it's kind of cardstock. And then they're like, it looks like they've been pressed in. Can you see on the back there? I'm sorry about the lighting. I forgot to turn on my light like a stupid person. Look how beautiful. So it's just like pressed into the paper. These are lovely. Again, these would make really cute little, I don't know, like bookmarks, but also you can make little tags for them. Just like tags for like birthday cards or something if you wanted to as well. I don't know. They're really cute. The possibilities are endless. Looks like you're getting 2 of each. So I'm assuming this is time, and then it says time flies. It's kind of funny. Maybe it's not. I don't know my plants, although I should. Shame on me. These are beautiful. Again, these would make beautiful cards. Also, like, I just feel like I'm going to play with cardstock. You can make lovely little cards with these. If you folded over some cardstock into a card and then place these on the front and, you know, put some stickers or wordage, you can make a little thank you card or a hello card. These are really cute. Oh, it says squirrels and frogs wooden stamp. So you got a squirrel with a bushy tail. Look how cute that is. Oh, I love it. That's really cute. Okay, so this is really great. I'm excited for fall, not winter. I wish we had more of a fall here in Colorado, but as the years pass, more and more we have less of a fall and less of a spring anymore. I'm starting to notice that as well. It's just pretty much summer and winter and nothing in between. How about where you guys live? Is that true also? I'd be interested out of the country, how that works, but yeah, I don't know. So sad because fall is definitely my favorite part of the year. It's not too hot, not too cold. But unfortunately that's not true here in Colorado. These are my favorite. I mean, I just love the bright color. I like that they're shaped. I like that they're in the style of a stamp. My niece is just going to keep talking really loud, so hopefully you were able to hear me. And I just, you know, whatever she has to do for school, and be safe. I'm all about it. And I hope that you guys are also safe. Again, if you are living somewhere on the West Coast, I hope that you get wherever you need to be, and that your homes are safe, because it's just, I can't even imagine losing your entire home to fire. It's just heartbreaking. All right, my name is Sylvia. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I hope that this was helpful. Thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye.